Dear students, in this lecture, we will do the lattice form structure of FIR filter as well as IIR filter. Again, the full form of FIR is finite impulse response and FIR filter having no feedback. And IIR full form is infinite impulse response and IIR filter having feedback as it is shown in the diagram. The first diagram is of IIR filter and this is for FIR filter. This is single stage FIR filter. Here it is the input, here it is the output, and these K1, K2 is constant that are multiply. You have to draw this structure. X of n will be given, Y of n equation will be given. You have to find the value of K1. Okay, then you have to draw this diagram only. And similarly, the second stage, you have to calculate the values of K1 and K2 and you have to draw the diagram for two stage, or you can say for multi-stage. It is repeated on. This is the diagram of two stage IIR filter. Okay, this is the diagram of two stage FIR filter. See the difference between these two diagrams. Here, as we know, in IIR filter there is a feedback. So this feedback signal from Y of n is coming toward the input. Okay. In FIR there is no feedback. So the feedback signal is not coming to the input. Second, see the direction of arrows. In case of FIR, the arrows will move from input to the output. Means first you have to draw the input stage, then K1 arrow, then delay, then K2 arrow. Na? But in this the arrow direction is reverse. It is going from outside to the input side. Okay? Output side to the input side. Direction of arrow. Okay? But in case of FIR filter, the direction of arrows are from input side to the output side. These are the two difference between lattice structure of FIR filter and IIR filter. Rest the calculations are same. If there are two stages of the structure, then you have to calculate two constant K1, K2 in both the structures. If the equation given is for single stage, then you have to calculate K1 only. This is the equation of single stage FIR filter. Means A xn, जो भी xn the constant होएगा, that is denoted by A1 of 0. Constant of x of n minus 1 will be denoted as A1 of 1. Similarly for two stage, okay, this is the order of the filter. Then you will write the constant of x of n by A2 of 0, constant of x of n minus 1 by A2 of 1, and constant of x of n minus 2 by A2 of n. Clear? These are the constant value. For one stage you will write A1 of 0, A1 of 1, and for two stage you will write A2 of 0, A2 of 1 and A2 of 2. Clear? These constants will remain same. These constants are used to calculate the value of K1 and K2. In this diagram, see this figure. Here you have to calculate the values of constant. How you will calculate the values of these constants? See, A1 of 1 is denoted by K1, A2 of 2 is denoted by K2 and A3 of 3 is denoted by K3. ठीक है? Formula of Km is equal to AM of M, where M is order of the filter. Clear? So this is the formula of AM of AM minus 1 of K. M is order of filter. Suppose if the order of filter is 2, then you have to calculate the value of K1. How you will calculate? M is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, A1, and you are calculating K1. Okay, so you write here 1. And this is the formula to calculate. Suppose for third order filter you have to calculate K2. Then you will write A 3 minus 2 is 2 of 2 because you are calculating 2 K2. Here you are calculating for third order filter value of K1. Okay. For third order filter A1 of A3 of 3 is K3 will be given. You have to calculate the value of K1 and K2. Clear? So for m is equal to 3, K1 is calculated by this. Okay, simple. You have put this value m is equal to 3, K is equal to 1, m is equal to 3, m is equal to 3, K is equal to 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, divide by m is equal to 3 square, m is equal to 3. Okay, this is the diagram of, this is lattice equation of FIR filter. Clear? This is the equation. As you know, here the order of the equation is 2. Clear? Order of the equation is 2. So you have to calculate the two constants K1 and K2. As we know that for second order or two stages equation, this is A2 of 0. Constant of x of n is A2 of 0. Constant of x of n minus 1 is A2 of 1. And constant of x of n minus 1 is A2 of 2. And we know that this A2 of 2 is K2. Okay, this A2 of 2 is K2. And you have to calculate the value of K1. K1 for means in this formula you will put, I am showing you in which formula, in this formula. Clear? You have to calculate the value of K1 when the order of filter is 2. Means in this case you are putting m is equal to 2 and you have to calculate the value of K1. Clear? When m is equal to 2, A2 minus 1 is 1 and you are calculating K1. So K is equal to 1. Here m is 2 because the order of filter in this equation is 2. A2 of 1 minus A2 of 2. Here this is formula written here for m is equal to 2 and K is equal to 1 because filter order of the filter is 2 and you are calculating K1. K2 is given. Clear? This is given. Now you know A2 of 1 you have the value of A2 of 1, A2 of 2 you have the value of A2 of 2, then you put the value and you calculate the value of K1. Simple. K1 is 35 by 72. From this value you have to draw the structure of FIR filter. Okay? Structure, this structure of FIR filter. This is for K is equal to 2. Okay? Simple. You will write x1 x2 and here you will write the value of K1 and K2 only. Similarly, if you are doing the lattice structure for IIR filter, see in IIR filter there is a feedback in the differential equation. Clear? There is a feedback in the differential equation. See what is the differential equation for IIR? It has x y of n minus 1 term, y of n minus 2 term and y of n minus 3 terms. Y of n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 term means you having feedback. Okay? So from this equation it is clear that it is the equation of IIR and you have to draw the lattice structure of this IIR filter. How you will draw the lattice structure of this IIR filter? I am deleting this. This is required, so I will not delete this. Okay. See, as we know, this is order of equation for this is 3. Clear? Order of equation for this is 3. So you need K1, K2, K3 because 3 stages are there. Order of equation is 3. So there are 3 stages and you need value of K1, K2 and K3. Clear? So this is the coefficient of A3 of 0. This is the coefficient of A3 of 1. This is the coefficient of A3 of 2. And this is the coefficient of A3 of 3. And we know A3 of 3 is equal to K3. So K3 is given in this equation. You have to calculate the value of K2 and the value of K1. Okay, you have to calculate the value of K2 when m is equal to 3 because the order of the filter is 3. So where m is equal to 3 and you are calculating K2 value. Okay, so in this formula you have to put m is equal to 3 and K is equal to 2. Clear? So this is 3 minus 2 is 1. A2 of 2 is equal to 3, 2. Okay, in this formula. Okay, in this formula you have A3 of 3, A3 of 2, you have the value of A3 of 3, A3 of 3 is also given, A3 of 1 is also given. So you will calculate the value of K2. Similarly, you have to calculate the value of K1 when m is equals to 3. Clear? 1 for m is equal to 3. Here it is given. For m is equals to 3, K1. ठीक है here, ठीक है K1 here you are putting m is equals to 3 and K is equal to 1. M is equals to 3 and K is equal to 1. This is when m is equal to 3 it becomes 2 A2 of 1. So you are calculating A2 of 1 by putting here K is equal to 1 and m is equals to 3. ठीक है, it is A3 of 1. You have the value of A3 of 1 and by putting these values K1 is equals to 1.06. So you need the value of, this is the 3 order 3 filter, means 3 stages will be there. If there are 3 stages then you need the value of K1, K2 and K3. Remember the difference between IIR and FIR filter is this is, ठीक है. This is for diagram is for FIIR filter. So you need K1, K2 and the next stage is for K3 because order of filter is 3. Okay, diagram if IIR filter equation is given then you have to draw this diagram. If FIR equation is given then you have to draw this diagram. The difference in diagram is that in IIR filter you have a feedback signal but there is no feedback signal and the direction of arrow is changed. For IIR filter signal will go from output to the input but in FIR filter signal will go from input to the output. Simple, you have to calculate the value of K1 and K2 based on these formulas. Based on these formulas some constant values you have given. Based on order of the filter you have to calculate K1, K2 and K3. Then you simply draw the diagram of this for IIR and for FIR filter. This is all about the lattice structure of FIR and the lattice structure of IIR filter. Thank you. If you have any doubt then you can contact me. Thank you.